Again, our thanks to Clement Long, Hong Kong Commissioner for Economic and Trade Affairs to the United States. Now, Hong Kong and Shanghai stock markets are on the verge of historic change. That's after nearly 100 brokerages in both cities took part in market rehearsals over the weekend. The two cities will be linking up in an unprecedented move that would open both markets to more investment. Cathy Yang reports.
Nearly 100 participants have labored at their desks for 2 straight weekends now. Working, they were not, but rehearsing for the big day when exchanges in both Hong Kong and Shanghai link up their systems and trade together seamlessly. It's called the Stock Connect Initiative, or Through Train Scheme, an unprecedented initiative that would facilitate cross-border trading between Hong Kong and Shanghai. The Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing announced on Sunday that the 2-day market rehearsals had gone smoothly. This goes on top of the connectivity test the weekend before that went without a hitch as well. Participants for both weekends accounted for about 80% of total market turnover.
But even as all the technical kinks are smoothed over in closed-door trials happening inside the exchange, it is still unclear which big players will join the initiative, as many of them are institutional investors who already invest on the mainland through the quota programs now in place. Investors also remain concerned over tax issues, ownership rights, and pre-check settlement.
Mark Conan is CEO of CCAM, managing $90 billion globally.
Investing in the mainland, tax and particularly capital gains tax, withholding taxes associated with that, are always an issue because you tend to have lack of clarity around certain aspects. I think remember, it's a pilot scheme, so I think the uptake at the outset will be probably a little bit gradual, will be slow.
For small brokers such as Francis Lun of GEO Securities, cost is their biggest issue.
You had to pay more than $200,000 for the connection fee, and then I think something like $20,000 to $30,000 a month for the running, and which means you have to do quite a lot of business to break even.
The next market rehearsal is scheduled to take place on September 13th, says the HK Exchanges and Clearing. That's roughly 1 month before the link-up is slated to go live between Shanghai and Hong Kong. Cathy Yang, CCTV, Hong Kong.